Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Word and placing the cursor where the check mark should appear. Make sure the home ribbon is visible. You will use it immediately. Once done, decide whether to insert a symbol, use a Wingdings font, or set a keyboard shortcut. You want speed versus visual control. Symbols give control, Wingdings gives quick styling. Prepare by keeping the document saved, then move on to Insert and Symbols to add the first check mark without delay. You click Insert, then Symbol, then more symbols to view the full set. Choose a font like Wingdings or Seago UI symbol to find several check options. This matters because fonts determine shape and scaling. Once you find the check mark, click Insert and adjust font size or color on the home ribbon so it matches surrounding text. If you need repeat use, add the symbol to autocorrect or create a keyboard shortcut. This saves time and ensures consistent styling across the document. You finish by making the check mark easy to reuse. Set an autocorrect entry like check or assign a keyboard shortcut via Customize Ribbon Right Arrow Keyboard Shortcuts. Once done, convert it to a bullet if you need list checks, or copy and paste to duplicate. If the check looks wrong, make sure the font matches adjacent text. Missing glyphs mean try Wingdings versus Seago UI symbol. If colors or size shift, select the symbol and apply the desired formatting from home to fix it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.